G'day everybody, Where's Wally here in the shed. And look, a new package arrived today from the UK. Check that out, international postage. Let's have a look what it is. Oh, check that. Oh, I better put the laser away from that. We don't want to do that yet. Oh, this is going to be so good. Pristine, but oh, hang on. To Simon Dan. Oh, how about that? So yes, I couldn't spring for a new version. I had to go and buy one, second hand. But this one's good because this one comes pre-annotated. Oh, this is going to be so good. Maybe what we'll have to do... oh, big nope on that one. Shit, what the... complete bollocks. Oh, this is fantastic, Dan. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I think we're going to have a bit of a help Antonio out session with reviewing his book. He's run away and he's doing a whole new review. So maybe we'll have to help him out by doing proper peer review for him. What do you think, guys? I went looking to see how the Book of the Sun was rated by other people and where I could buy it, and I found only one reference on Google Books. And the review, I think it's only got one review, it was hilarious. It says, "The idiotic rantings of a flat earth believer. He believes that he is a genius, thinks that Einstein is an idiot. He has made a ridiculous flat earth map where South America is on the other side of the flat earth plate to Africa. He thinks aircraft fly faster to fool us all into believing the earth is a sphere." Oh, well said, whoever put that up, well said. So then I thought I would go looking for the impact factor for the Book of the Sun, but of course there isn't one because it's probably never been cited. And just for those people who don't know, impact factor is some sort of rough measure about how important a particular journal article is. It's basically a measure of how many times per year does this article get cited in other articles. And I guess when you think about it, this is one of the reasons that science works, because the good bits of science, the bits that actually work, get cited and get built upon. The bits that don't work get laughed at, mocked, pushed to one side and squashed down and never to be seen again. And that's really why guys like Antonio and Nick don't like YouTube and all the other places which try to squash them. They don't like people coming in and telling them they're wrong or doing peer review, so then they block them and they sit happily in their little echo chamber believing everything that they're saying is right because only the attaboys are there telling them they're good. In the real world, where the big boys have to put on their big boy pants, they wouldn't survive 10 seconds. Maybe I'll just ask the dear viewers, what shall we do with this book? What shall we do? Shall we just slice and dice it with a laser? Oh, maybe later. Shall we pass around some chapters to some brilliant people and ask them to rate it and comment, just like Simon Dan did? I was thinking of making it like a travelling pants book, where we pass it around to all different people, like, you know, Wolfie or Greater Sapien, Red's Rhetoric, Sean Hufford, Blue Marble Science, Bob the Science Guy, and just let everyone have a go at it. Maybe we can just all do a peer review chapter by chapter. What do you think about that, Antonio? We'll get everyone to review the chapter and tell us where it needs correcting, and then in your revision for reprint number 2 you will be able to get some more things right. How about that?